today's video, Ranbir Kapoor all hits and flops movies list. Okay friends, let's start. Savaria 40.2 CR Disaster. Bachna Hai Hasino 62 CR above average. Wake Up Seat 47.1 CR semi hit. Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani 100.4 CR super hit. Rocket Singh Salesman of the Year 34 CR average. Rajniti 146.2 CR super hit. Anjana Anjani 68.4 CR average. Rockstar 106.4 CR above average. Barfi 178.4 CR super hit. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani 320.3 CR blockbuster. Besharam 97.3 CR flop. Roy 55.7 CR flop. Bombay Velvet 43.8 CR disaster. Tamasha 135.3 CR flop. A Dil Hai Mushkil 240.4 CR hit. Jaga Jasos 90.3 CR disaster. Sanju 587.3 CR huge blockbuster. Shamshera 68.3 CR disaster. Brahmastra Part 1 Shiva 430 CR hit. Tu Jhuti Main Makkar 220 CR hit. Animal soon coming. Comment your favorite on and see you in next video. Goodbye.